Hi everybody, my name is Chris Neal. I work here in the Zimbrick European Service Department, and I'm going to go over with you today how to schedule an online appointment. This will work for all our brands here in-house, so just pay attention and follow, and hopefully this will be easy. First of all, what you'll want to do, across the top toolbar here, you'll find Scheduled Service. You'll select that. Takes just a minute for the page to open up here. You can also do this on your mobile device as well. When you come to the opening page for scheduling service, it'll ask you 1, to log me in, 2, find me, or 3, I'm new here. The best thing would be to set up a login. That way everything ties to your vehicle and will be prepared for you when you arrive. Quick search of find me if you're already in there is an easy way to schedule your appointment. And if you've never been here, I'm new here, will give us the general information just to get started. I'm currently going to use Find Me. And you can search by confirmation code or phone number would be the best way. Enter the phone number. And then it'll come up with your profile here. If you have multiple vehicles with us, you can always select which one you're looking to schedule. Then it'll bring to the page of just the make, year, and model of the vehicle. One thing, just confirm all that information and then hit Next. Next will come up with your maintenance intervals. On your maintenance intervals, it's just basically going by your last previous service, and it's guesstimating the amount of mileage that you have done since. You have the option of selecting the proper maintenance. You can select it for details. It goes over the items done. If you want to add that to the cart, you do so by selecting below. The next thing would be whether or not you have any repairs or other services you would like done. You could do individual services such as oil change, check tire pressures. On the other tab here up top would be repairs. Repairs would be things like warning lights. You could go ahead and select that. Say you had a check engine light on. You could enter that, hit Add, and that will add that to your visit. You could also do things like fluid leaks, heating and air conditioning concerns, all the above. If you go back to services here, I'm just going to quick select a brake fluid. That's due every 2 years on most makes and models. So we'll go ahead and add that to the cart. Once you have selected everything you wanted for your appointment, you hit the next button down here in the lower right hand corner. Then it will give you some available dates. If you notice across the top, it gives you 3 options. First, drop off. Second, you wait for your appointment. Or third, if you need alternate transportation, it offers a loaner. Now by selecting these, it will change the availability for the appointment. If you select wait, hit OK, as you can see, the appointments have switched. Same with loaner. If you need a courtesy vehicle, select loaner, hit OK, and again, the dates have switched. So first instance, I'm going to say I need a loaner for the vehicle and I'd like to drop off at 7:30 in the morning. So I have selected the appointment, Thursday, June 13th at 7:30. Again, hit Next in the lower left-hand corner, right-hand corner, excuse me. Then it will bring up the confirmation page. You'll be able to review all your services that you selected. Also, you can confirm your information. If it does not have your information or you need to correct it, you can enter it here. You can select how you'd like to get updates, and then any additional comments here. Once you have all that information entered, you'll be able to book the appointment. That's it, you're done. You'll get an email confirmation or text message, whatever you selected, and we'd look forward to seeing you. Again, if you have any questions or need help, feel free to stop in and ask us any questions. Thank you very much.